Back in hell. Boys, we're not gonna lie. We had kind of a bruiser last night, had some people over, and what a great day to gamble. Boys, we're gambling. I don't promote it. It's actually not gambling. We're opening up some cards, hoping to get a lot of money from them, you know? Ian's actually really stoked to do this. First off, I want to say right now, if you guys aren't intrigued with the cards we're opening, it doesn't matter, because the cards that we open, I'm going to be putting the prices on the screen to make sure we got our money back, hopefully, and we're in search for a $30,000 card. So with that, we're opening up basketball cards, boys. I've been asking you guys freaking forever if you would allow me to do it on my channel. I bought the most expensive packs. We have 6, for 6 cost me $300 and something Canadian, so that's like 50 bucks a pack. I just wanted to do it, bro. I like surprises, and I think this will just be easy for our heads today, you know what I mean? One take, boys. Y'all know the rules. What do you think about this, Ian? I've been talking your ear off about basketball cards for a bit and investing in them, and any thoughts?
Yeah, I know. I'm really curious to see if you could actually make money with this.
Pull some big stuff. I mean, boys, there's cards that can be thousands of dollars. There's cards that can be worth like 20 cents, you know? So you take a big gamble when getting these. I actually never buy basketball packs. See, now I'm excited again. Now I don't even feel hungover. I still do a little bit. Boys, let me know down below if you want more of these. We unboxed.
Oh.
That was awful. That was awful. One hit the corner, bro. One hit the corner.
Should we just burn this pack then?
Dude, that's like a matter of like, if there's a sick card in there, that's a matter of like a lot of money getting taken off because the corner's bent. We already f***ed up. I already f***ed up. Oh no.
Oh. Good start.
Anyway, boys, we got packs of basketball cards. We're trying to make some money. So what these are is they're Prizm. I don't know, who cares. 2020, 2021. What are we looking for, boys? Autographs. LaMelo Ball rookie. I'm gonna just say it as we go, if it's good or bad, and I'm gonna have the price on the screen for every card that's worth a little song. Sound good? Thumbs up, comment down below, boys. You know, jewelry's fun, but you know what's more fun? Unboxing whatever the f you want and still getting views for it. Yeah, nice, right? Good?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I have no idea what I just said. I'm just gonna rewatch all that back. I don't remember anything. Alright, boys, we're all situated. Now what we're gonna do here, thank you guys for watching this. Let me know if you guys want more of these. Maybe we'll open up some other cards. I don't know. People are doing Pokemon nowadays. Maybe we'll buy a $1,000 pack of those. There's like expensive ones. You can get some crazy stuff. So Ian, we're gonna take turns here. Boys, once again, if you don't care about basketball, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna help you through this. And hopefully once again, we're making a bunch of money back. And when I said a $30,000 card, I mean, that's a recently sold eBay listing of a card that came from one of these packs, yo. It just sold for 30 grand, and anywhere under, anywhere over, you can go. Like, I'm sure there's bigger ones. Anyway, Ian, you got 3. I got 3. I thought we would do a pack battle. Do you know what that is?
No.
It's like basketball terms. I'm sure they do it with Yu-Gi-Ohs and stuff like that. So you have 3, I have 3. I thought this would be fun. We're each gonna open our 3 packs. The winner that has the best card, I haven't even told you this, the best cards, whoever comes out better from their 3 packs, you feel me? Keeps all of it.
Oh,
now if
damn.
If you keep all of it, I don't pay you for this video. That's a catch. If I keep all of it, I don't pay you for this video.
What?
But you still get like really good cards. Okay, I'll pay you too. I'll pay you and you keep the cards. But if you lose, I don't pay you and I keep the cards.
Okay, well,
so you kind of win regardless.
Well, unless you win.
Yeah, and then I don't pay you. Yeah, you're right. Okay, boys, let's go. Ian, I'm gonna do this first. Have you ever opened up a pack of cards in your life?
No, I'm not.
So
I'm not up to this.
The cool thing about these ones, boys, is that's the regular pack, and then it comes with a bonus pack, which has like different versions of the cards. They're different colors, they're a little bit more rare. So I'm gonna do mine first. You take your 3, take 3 right there. Just watch how I do this, bro. And I don't open packs, bro. I just buy the cards I want. We got that guy. I really can't do this without. How do you do? I didn't plan this at all. Bad. Anyway, he's bad. I'm just gonna do this. Bad. Filler card. Bad. It's stuck and it's bent. Bad. Nikola Jokic or Jokic. I don't know. I can't say names either, boys. Second year though, which means a second year in the NBA. Dwayne Wade. Bad. I'm just gonna stop at something good. Miles Bridges. Green. So greens are better than these ones because they're colored. We got that one. Bad. Oh my God, I'm not liking this. Aaron Smith. Bad. Bruce Brown. Bad. We got a Quickly. That's a rookie. You see the RC?
Okay.
So that's his first year. I'll put it up on the screen if that's worth anything.
Isn't this one also?
Oh, I didn't look.
Also an RC.
Oh, Nesmith. Okay, so that's alright.
This one actually.
Oh shoot. Okay.
Wait, why am I helping you?
Bad pack, probably. That was a $50 pack. Ian, your turn. If there was anything good on the screen, I'm gonna post it when I got it. Okay.
Are we saving the bonus for last?
Let's just do the bonus packs while we do it. So these ones you guys are gonna see, boys, and hopefully there's rookies in these. That's what you look for. Anything I get, I collect LeBrons, right? Anything else I get, I'm probably gonna sell. That's what those ones are. A little specially looking, right? Robert Williams, bad. Steve Adams, bad. I'm gonna piss off a lot of basketball fans. Stanley, we got a rookie. I don't know who he is. Your turn.
All right. I'll try not to just absolutely throw.
Here, I'll get my head up here. I'll get my head up here so you can show the boys, and I'll tell you if you find anything really sick.
Okay.
I'll get like a cool look at it. You wash your hands?
Yeah, at some point.
Oh, I didn't. Okay. Making sure somebody's doing them all. All right.
Okay. Am I assuming this is bad?
Yeah, bad. Bad. Holiday, bad. Doesn't even matter who they are. If it's not a rookie, they're not good. I think that's how that works. James Harden, cool player. I saw him play like a crazy game one time, but not sick. Still be like kind of careful with them, but that's fine. Okay, good. No, wait, no, not good. Ooh, we got a silver. Silvers are sick, Ian, but I don't know who that guy is. Be careful with that one. Just put them right there. Any color cards that you get, just put them down like nicely, but the other ones are just kind of like...
This one's green?
Oh, he's green. What's his name? Don't care. It's not a rookie. Screw it. Oh, Haliburton!
Oh, this one's rookie?
God damn it. He's really good, Ian.
Is he?
Yeah, he's really good.
Oh, shit.
He's like one of the rookies you want. But it's an emergent, so what this is, it's not a regular base card, if you will. It's like kind of a filler, but still good. God damn it.
Okay.
Who's that?
Bobby Portis.
Don't care. Is he a rookie?
No.
Don't care.
Oh,
you absolute fuck!
This?
That's a LaMelo Ball.
Yeah, it's a rookie too.
Oh, yeah, well, yeah. Okay, so that's okay. So that's, put it up on the screen. We got LaMelo Ball, boys.
Is that good?
That's the best rookie you can get.
What, really?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Freaking ball. Holy crap.
Oh, and then there's this,
right.
which is, I guess.
That's at least a $100 card.
Oh, wow.
At least. At least. Let me take that out. Let me slip that back in there. Ian, you're winning. You got Haliburton and LaMelo in the same pack.
What do we got for the bonus? Oh, there's,
oh, and the centering's beautiful. That might be a PSA 10.
So what about this? Just tell me.
No. No. You got a rookie. Who's he? Who's that?
Skylar Mays.
I don't know who that is. I don't really follow this too much. Not this rookie class, boys, but...
So we're piling all the cards together now?
Oh, no. No, we're not. I mean, we could pile this one with mine if you want.
No, I'm
pretty sure I pulled it, right?
Yeah.
I have to pull something crazy, boys. It's the best rookie you can get. Next up.
Also,
this is gonna be a one take,
also,
boys.
my pack wasn't bent.
Yeah. That might have been one I dropped. Okay, that was sick, bro.
I feel like these might be yours.
Oh, they might be. Did I get a silver? I didn't even... Okay, so we got Jason Wall. Don't care. Paul George. Don't care. I'm just gonna keep going till we care, boys. Conley. Ooh, we got points. 600 points. That's a point card. It's a rewards card. I don't think I should be showing that. I just showed. Okay. They can just steal it. Those points are kind of cool. Whatever. Derrick Rose, silver. Silvers are good. Roses, you know, we can live with that. Harrell, I don't know. Naismith, rookie. That's cool, I guess. Kawhi Leonard. Let's go, funny guy. Another rookie, don't care, and Sexton, cool, all right, nothing, I don't know.
I just want to see how many of the ones you said were bad actually turn out to be not bad.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, bro. I forgot this. This is a special pack, boys. Let me know down below if you guys are digging it. We got 3 cards that we don't care about. Okay, no. Rudy Gay, don't care.
Did you say really gay?
Rudy Gay.
Oh. Okay, I was gonna say that would be...
Not allowed on YouTube? Yeah, try to not do that. Okay, next, no. Next, no. No, we got a silver, but not the right guy. Yeah, no, doesn't matter. I mean, silvers are still good. There's some collector out there, probably. Yeah, green, yeah, it's alright, not a rookie. I don't care. Is that Kawhi? Yeah, it's Kawhi Leonard. He's cool, I like him. He just won with the Raptors.
Okay, so is this a good one then? Or?
Yeah, sure. Everyone likes Kawhi.
Alright.
Okay.
Just sent it flying.
Nope. And one more. No, Josh Green, rookie, but I don't know. Rookies are always good, you know what I mean? You never know what these kids are gonna do. We have 1 pack each left?
Oh,
you got your bonus pack.
Yeah.
This might be a long video, boys.
This is taking long. There's a lot more cards in here than I saw it. Okay, there's this guy.
Yeah, 15 per pack, I think.
Kendrick Noon?
Yeah, I don't know. Couldn't tell you. Leave comments down below. Am I gonna come back at him with a quick stab to the gut? Or is he gonna
Wait.
eat my face off with what he just got? We'll see.
Wow, this is turning intense now.
Oh god. Okay, so we've got a Hornets at the back, bro. That's the good rookie you just got. He's a Hornet, but it's not the right one. Oh yeah, let's go.
Good one.
LeBron, I've been really wanting this card. That's a LeBron Kobe tribute. When this card first came out, yo, it was worth hundreds of dollars. Actually, this is the best centering I've seen on one of these LeBrons in a long time. That might even possibly be a PSA 10, which is like when you send it in, it doesn't matter. All right, we got Alex Kuza, we got bad. Zion, second year, that's sick. That's sick. Zion, second year is always dope. We got Jones, silver. We got Milton, green. We got Steph Curry. Can't go wrong with Steph. Isaiah Stewart, blah, and a rookie, but that's a teaser. He's Hornets, but not the rookie we want. The rookie we want is the one you got. And that's a freaking awesome card. Sorry we cut off. Ian, you have 1 left.
Yeah, last pack.
Bro. I was in the middle of, I think, one of these when it cut off, and it was nothing, boys. You've already won.
I gotta admit, this is more exciting than I thought it would be.
Yeah, when it cut off camera, Ian was just telling me how much fun this is. Hopefully you guys think so, too. I just don't think I'm doing a good job at it, but... Alright, cool.
I'm assuming this is...
Nah, it's alright. Nah. Pal, we just really look for rookies. These are all just base. Unless it's a cool second-year guy, it's not... too much. Nope. Keep going. I'm feeling something in here, bro. I'm feeling something in here. We got a silver. Patrick Will. Oh, fuck you. That's Williams. He's cool.
Oh, yeah. So, yeah, rookie card, too.
Let's go. Okay,
right.
Silver, bro. Silver. Let's go. Silver.
Apparently I have the luck today.
Yeah, apparently. Okay. Oh, that's Bane. Yeah, cool rookie. Cool rookie right now for the Grizz.
Alright.
Cole Anthony, nice. Cool rookie. That's it.
That's it, except for the, I guess we still got the bonus.
You got your bonus pack. Yeah, this Williams is sick. I don't know how much people dig them right now. I know there was some people buying earlier, but... And last one. Alright, boys. Yep. That's what it is. I'm going to do my best. Well, I will. I already told you. If you saw the prices on the screen, we already know Ian won. We got some good dingers. We got some freaking cards here.
Guess I now own a bunch of basketball cards.
Oh yeah, shoot.
Yeah, this worked out well.
Yeah.
I like this one. We should do more videos like this.
Okay, appreciate it for watching. Making the game. Bye. Let me know if you want more of these. I gotta sort through these and bye. This wasn't fun at all.